Consider the functions f and g. Which of the following is equal to f of g of 3? Okay, so f of g of 3. That means I want to start at the very most inner parentheses and work my way out. So I'm going to take my 3 and plug it into g. I'm going to evaluate g of 3 first. So g of 3 is going to be, maybe I'll do a little side work over here. G of 3, that would be 9 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 4. So, oh, whoops, sorry. G of 3 is 3 squared. Brain was going too fast there. Okay, so 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 4. So that's 9 minus 6 plus 4. So 3 plus 4, which is 7. Okay, so g of 3 is 7. So I'm going to replace g of 3 with the value that it equals 7. And I'm going to take that 7, I'm going to plug it into f. So I'm going to get 7 squared plus 2 times 7 minus 2. So that's 49 plus 14 minus 2. So 49 plus 10 is 59, plus 4 more is 63, minus 2 is 61. That's option C.